powerful, transformable. This video brings you the latest design outdoor LED light, which is transformable from street light to flood light. Simple structure, easy installation. Professional roadway photometric design is adopted. Higher illuminous intensity and less glares. Modern production technique is adopted for quality guarantee. There are 100 or 120 lumens per watt versions available for choices. The breather valve keeps internal mist away. It is IP66 waterproof for outdoor use. Wall-mounted installation. Lens or glass model is an option. When coming with glass version floodlight model, it is IK08 protection, 120-degree wide beam angle lighting. There are full wrap or semi-wrap brackets available for choices. Lighting up road, guiding the way to home. Take it with our quality promise.